Are you wondering if someone removed their profile or blocked you on WhatsApp without sending them a message? In this video, I will show you step by step how to check if you've been blocked or if the account was deleted or if they just changed their profile, using subtle signs that don't require messaging the person itself. So, to know how to do this, just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to WhatsApp app. Then here in this page, you will choose the account that you want to check. For example, this chat or this account. Then here, as you see, this person, you will click here on above. This person, he is deleted his profile, as you see in that way, like this. But I don't know if he is blocked me or not, so I cannot message him to know that. So the first thing you have to do is to go to encryption, like this. Messages and calls are in the and to end encrypted. Tap to verify and you will click here encryption, and you will wait for a while here to see. So when it's verified, you will find this in this color, green color. So that means this account doesn't block you at all. He is just deleted his profile. But let's try if this account is blocked me. For example, I will ask him to block me like this. Just wait a moment here. He will block me right now. So now when I enter again to this account, I will see this page. It's the same. The name is still here. The profile is deleted, but I don't know if he is blocked me or not. So we go to encryption again. But I already asked him to block me to verify. So as you see here, this time it shows you please verify another way. So that means he is blocked you really, and you don't need to message him to know if he blocked you or not. So he already blocked you in that way, like this. So that's it. If this video is helpful for you and if you are enjoying watching this video, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your